Alright, hello everyone, this is Rick from Chrome Collector, bringing you the break of 2013 Panini Certified. It's 7 p.m., September 22nd. If you want your hits, you can send them to PayPal. My email address is rickmonghay@yahoo.com. I'll put it in the email with the break link, and it's $2 for your hits. Couple quick rules. If there is a combo card on the front of the card, whoever's listed to the left or on top will be the team that the card goes to. So with no further ado, here we go. 10 packs, 5 cards in each pack. There's 4 hits in this box, and only one of them is guaranteed to be an auto, so that's not the best, but maybe we'll get lucky. Alright, and pack number 1. This looks nice. So, Jonathan Franklin, Stafford, Kendall Wright. We'll just show the hit right away. Matt Barkley patch auto. What a hit for the Eagles. $3.99. I'll put that to the side. And then the rest are base. Wow, first pack. What a hit. Continuing on. Wes Walker. Pascal Burris. Here's one. It's Christian Michael out of $9.99, and decoy card. Oh, great! First time I've seen that in a hobby box. Brown. Pack number 3. Might come open nice. Looks like I got something at the top here. Yeah, there's different. I can't remember what they're called, but different versions like Emerald, Platinum. Another decoy card. Robert Griffin, Drew Brees. Pack number 4. Cecil Shorts, Leading, Immortal Lance Allworth. And then Jeremy Maclin out of $2.99 patch card. So another one for the Eagles. Philly. And Jeremy Maclin, Frank Gore. Pack 5. Yeah. One for the Packers, Clay Matthews, Jacoby Ford. And then Emerald out of $2.50, Ryan Matthews. Decoy card, Marshawn Lynch, Desmond. Pack 6. Another hit in this one, Dustin Keller. Mercedes Lewis. And Derek Rogers auto for the Bills out of $9.99. And a decoy card. Oops. Put that one over here. Mike Williams. Rashad Mendenhall. So that's 2 autos. That's one better than what's guaranteed. Alright. Ray Rice. And they're all back different ways. Adrian Peterson. Jamal Lewis out of $9.99 Immortals. Another decoy. David Wilson, Colin Kaepernick. Then we have Dwayne Bowe, Andre Johnson, Danny Amendola, and Marcus Lattimore, 5 of 99 for the 49ers. Beautiful card. A little rough around the edges, so if you see that when you get that, that's not me. That's the way it came out the pack. So, it doesn't look bad though. And Terrell Richardson and Vernon Davis. These cards are hard to read with the reflection. And a nice hit for the 49ers. Alright. 2 packs left. Andy Dalton, Jamal Charles, New Generation card, DJ Fluker out of 9.99. Decoy, Marquise Colston, and Richard Sherman. Final pack. I had like a combo card at all in any break yet. Alright. Matt Forte, Owen Daniels, New Generation, Blighty Y. Wilson. I'm sure I'm pronouncing that wrong, but that's out of 250. Another decoy card, Miles Austin, and Alfred Morris. So to recap the hits, we got a 49ers, Bills, and 2 for the Eagles, with a beautiful patch from Matt Barkley. Again, if you want your hits, you can send the $2 to rickmonghay@yahoo.com. Thank you, everybody, for joining the breaks, and the next break will be 2013 Panini Playbook. So we'll see you then. Thanks.